This tutorial will guide you on how to run the pre-installation compatibility check for the ChromeOS Readiness Tool. First, head over to the ChromeOS Readiness Tool website and go to the Resources section. From there, download the pre-installation compatibility check PowerShell script. Next, open Windows PowerShell. Now, type cd in the PowerShell window to direct to the relevant folder that stores the prerequisite script. Go to the folder where the script was downloaded, right-click the script file, and select Copy as Path. Paste the path next to the cd command and hit Enter. Then, on the next line, type name of the script. Press Enter again. The script will now check your system for all required prerequisites. If any are missing, you'll see a clear message telling you what to install. If your system is missing any requirements, like a specific .NET runtime or OS version, the script will show them. Make sure to install the listed components before proceeding. If you don't see any errors, that means your system has everything it needs. You're ready to go. Thanks for watching. You're now one step closer to running the ChromeOS Readiness Tool. Visit our website for more resources and support.